Hi, I'm Bruce McCune. I'm a professor in the Department of Botany and Plant Pathology at Oregon State University. I study and teach about lichens and bryophytes, as well as statistical methods for analyzing ecological community data. And in broad terms, my research is about biodiversity. So species biodiversity is to biology as the periodic table of elements is to chemistry. So as each species is an evolutionary unit, it's foundational, elemental, because species are the building blocks of communities and ecosystems. Also, because species reproduce within themselves, their genetic makeup defines how they interact with other species and the environment. So documenting biodiversity is a first step in conserving and managing biodiversity. But why lichens and mosses? Well, I was initially attracted by them for their beauty and intricacy. And if you think of plant biodiversity as a tapestry covering the earth, lichens and mosses contribute the intricate detail in that fabric. And despite their small size, it turns out that lichens and mosses are important in many ways for nutrient cycling, food webs, recovery from disturbance such as wildfire. In the Pacific Northwest, lichens and mosses are in your face. They're everywhere you look and integral part of our ecosystems. Now, our mild oceanic climate with dry summers really favors lichens, yet we're amazingly ignorant about them. This just makes it more fun to study them. So today's sense of excitement and discovery must be similar, I think, to what botanists felt centuries ago when they were first exploring the New World. But we have some things going for us that they didn't have, including the use of molecular tools. So we're in an active, exciting phase of discovery of this foundational knowledge of lichen biodiversity. The other area that I work on has to do with developing tools for analyzing ecological data. So ecology today is a quantitative science, and I work on three big challenges in this. One I call the dust bunny distribution. The second is nonlinear relationships of species to environmental factors. And third, interactions among species and environmental factors. And I summarize these areas in three short videos, and I'll put the links below if you want to follow up on those. So now I've been studying these topics long enough that I've been able to write some books on them. For example, for people interested in lichen biodiversity, we have macrolichens of the Pacific Northwest. So, and if you're really serious about lichen biodiversity, then you need the 2-volume Microlichens of the Pacific Northwest. For people interested in ecological community data and how to analyze it, you should check out Analysis of Ecological Communities. If you'd like to find out more, please visit my website. The link should be below. Thank you for listening.